Hey Steve, how you doing? It's Gavin here from the Growing Younger team, and this is a standing band row tutorial. Okay, so you've anchored your band nice and secure as we talked about in another video, and you're going to have these bands attached at about chest height. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to take a big step back, and your arms are going to be nice and straight in this way. Okay, it's just enough tension just to make you want to pull forward just slightly. To do this exercise, you're going to lift up your chest nice and tall. And what you're going to do, you're going to roll the bands back towards your chest, okay? Pop your chest out like Superman, nice and strong, and really squeeze those shoulder blades together at the top, okay? And with all these exercises, nice and slow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then squeeze back again. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and bring it back. If, as you get stronger, these bands become lighter, add another band to it, okay? So, you know, these bands come in different thicknesses, add another band to it, use a heavier band, okay? And that's gonna help you increase your strength as you move forward. Very, very important to do that. So that's the band tutorial.